Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to transfer your eSIM from old iPhone to a new iPhone. This process is super simple and takes only a couple of minutes. First, make sure both iPhones are next to each other, connect to Wi-Fi and update to the latest iOS version. This helps to transfer happen smoothly. Turn on your new iPhone and during setup you will see a screen saving setup cellular. Tap transfer from another iPhone. Your old iPhone will now show a pop-up asking if you want to transfer your phone number. On your old phone, tap continue. You may be asked for confirm with your Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. Once you approve, the phone will connect and begin moving your eSIM to new device. Now just wait, your iPhone will show a message like activate SIM or transfer number. This can take anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes depending on your carrier. Once the activation finishes, your iPhone will show eSIM activated. Now continue your iPhone setup as using Face ID, Apple ID and restoring your data. If your transfer doesn't see the transfer option, here's a backup method. Once your new iPhone, go to settings, tap on cellular, add eSIM, transfer from nearby iPhone. This does the same thing without using the setup screen. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.